Welcome to the T3AI series, where TYPO3 meets artificial intelligence.
To create AI file metadata while generating an AI image, start by navigating to the Page module. Next, navigate to the T3AI button and click it. Select a media module from the drop-down and proceed to generate AI metadata along with the AI image. Add your AI prompt for generating AI image. Next, select the image dimensions to fit in your field. Click on Use Default. After that, select the number of AI image results you want to generate. Generate the AI image by clicking the button. Your AI-powered image is generated within seconds, along with automatically created metadata that is displayed at AI-generated image. Your AI file metadata title is created. AI file metadata description title is created with help of T3AI. Then, click the Save button to save the image in your image field. If you want to regenerate AI metadata, click the button. To create AI file metadata by adding an image from your file list in FAL, start by navigating to the Page module in your TYPO3 backend. Select a page from the page tree. Navigate to your selected page. Edit the element. Go to the Image tab to create AI-powered metadata in FAL. Add your image from your file list. Now advance to the upcoming steps. Add an image from the image list. Let's proceed to the next steps now. Click on Generate AI Metadata. You can see your AI file metadata created with your image within seconds.
Thank you for watching the T3AI series.